the deepest depth of the heart of every mankind there is. Join me as we embark to the journey towards the city of life. Together, let us support our local farmers, local products, local development, local tourism, and local community. My fellow Tabacuñans, it's time to be proud of our root, our identity, and our culture. Tangkilikin ang sariling atin. Sakon si Hana Juana Manaw Nakaro, a proud Tabaqueña from the Rice Granary of Tabuk City, Barangay San Juan.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.